time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to day 2 of the online violin course. We're going to do measures 3 and 4 of hot cross buns, which I have on the screen here. And you'll notice that measures 3 and 4 are exactly the same as measures 1 and 2. And isn't that good news? So, I want you to do something new today. When you hold your violin, I want you to point the scroll, that's this scrolly looking piece right here, right at whatever you're using to look at your music. So, if it's a screen, like a tablet or a computer, or if you've printed it off and are using paper, then point it right at whatever you're looking at so that your eyes can go right down to look at your fingers and then can look up just a little bit to look at the paper. So, make sure your violin is in tune if you haven't tuned yet today. And we're going to start with plucking, and then we're going to use the bow. So here we are at measure 3, and this is going to use finger number 3. So put 1 on the yellow tape, 2 on the white one, and 3 on the red one, just like this. And give it a pluck. And when we do that, count to 2 beats. So we'll have like a 1, 2. And then back to number 1, 1, 2. And then 0 for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And those are the 4 measures. Let's try it from the very beginning once, starting with 1, 2, and 3. And if you want to, you can play along, or you can just watch and then practice it on your own. Sometimes that's a lot easier. Here we go. From measure 1. 3, 1, and then 0, 2, 3, 4, and then back to 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now if you're using the bow, let's try it that way. Remember to take the bow in your right hand and let it shake and dangle so it's nice and relaxed, so that the pinky is going to go right on top of the stick, and your thumb is going to go right underneath where we have these parts, and it can curl underneath right between the 2 black pieces, just like that. And if you haven't already, make sure that you've tightened the bow a few turns so that the hair isn't all loose. And it's always a good idea to put on just a little bit of rosin to make sure that it's nice and sticky. So I'm going to put some rosin on here. And if you've already rosined it recently, then you just need to add a little. And you don't even have to do it every day, but I just want you to learn these little habits. Okay, so I've got my bow in my hand, and then I'm going to start with measures 3 and 4, and I'm going to go kind of up toward the tip of the bow, like that, and then remember that my bow hair is going to be up toward the fingerboard, which is this black piece right here. We're going to play it for 2 beats. Ready? So 3, and then 1, press down nice and hard, close to the nail, 1, 2, and then 0 for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's measures 3 and 4. Now let's try it from the beginning. You can watch or you can try to play along. From measure 1. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. And then again. 3, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. And that's all we're going to do for today. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And you'll see I posted some videos so you can kind of hear different versions of the song. But let me know if you need any help, okay? Good job.